Hi, hello, what's up? This is Ina, and this Devon grinder is game-changing. Now first, let's get the basics out the way. Model number 28289-100CE. This is 900 watts, and for its power level, this is super light at 2 kilograms. Now let's get into the good stuff. First of all, may soft start siya. It has variable speed, 6 levels of intensity. And something nice about this is that the speed is constant, meaning that even if the tool is in contact with the material, the speed of the tool won't slow down. Now, my favorite feature isn't actually that obvious. It's actually a safety function that this tool has. I think it's better if I show you. As you can see, the toggle switch is still left on, but it's not gonna restart the tool. If accidentally you plug it back in, nakalimutan mo siyang i-turn off, magiging okay pa rin siya, guys. Hindi siya mag-auto on. Okay, guys, I'm tired of talking. Let's see this bad boy in action. Now, thank you guys so much for watching, and this has been brought to you by GLI for you.